Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I am super excited to share this recipe with you, and also we are celebrating 200 episode, means 200 recipes, and I'm so happy, and I want to thank all of you who subscribe to my channel, who always click the like button and always leaves a sweet comment. You guys are so sweet, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe now. It is just free. And again, I'm super excited. In Mauritius, we all know what is gâteau de lait means, and today I'm gonna show you how I make the real gâteau de lait. And you will be surprised, guys. It's only 5 ingredients, not counting the water, and it's just 5 ingredients, and you are going to end up with the best of the best gâteau de lait, which is a milk Barfi. And let's go with ingredients so we can get started. So first thing here is for the syrup, for the Barfi syrup, and it is just water and sugar. And we also need just a dash of yellow food color, which I'm gonna bring that after. And then here I have full fat milk powder, and just a little bit less than half teaspoon of cardamom powder. So let's just add this to the milk powder, and we are going to mix this, because later on when this milk is going to the syrup, it has to be like quick. We won't be able to do it like as fast as possible, so just mix this cardamom with the milk powder right now. And let's talk about the sesame seeds that has to garnish. This green and red sesame seed, it is this is a traditional things that goes on top on the gâteau de lait. It is just like a bright garnishing, which is all you're gonna do is, in a small bowl, you're just gonna add your regular white sesame seeds, and you're gonna take 2 bowls, put just about 2 tablespoons, and leftover you can just keep it for the next time. It's always good. You can keep it in the fridge in a tight container, and it will last you like a month or 2. So just take the sesame seed and add your food color in one bowl, red, and the other one is green, and just little bit of water, not too much, and then mix them all, and then let it soak, let those colors soak in the sesame seed. It might take you a few hours to set like this, and then what you're gonna do is try to drain the leftover water, and then set them on a tray, on a foil, on a tray, or just on a tray as is. And then turn the oven on. If you have just sun outside, just leave it outside under the sun to dry. But this has to dry, and just like this, like grain, shouldn't be sticky. And so that's your garnishing. Now let's go to the stove, and we're gonna start making the gâteau de lait. Okay, I have a non-stick pan here, and I just turn the heat over medium high. Add the sugar and the water. Mix, and we're gonna let this boil. It's gonna take, right now it is cold, but when this is started to boil, then it's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm gonna show you when this is started to boil, then I'm gonna add the dash of yellow food color. The syrup started to boil, just started. Add a dash, like just a dash of yellow food color, and this is what will bring the gâteau de lait, the Barfi, the color that you really want to see. And from now we're gonna let this syrup boil for about between 15 to 20 minutes. It can be 18 minutes depending on your oven, your stove, your like wherever you're boiling it, depending on the temperature as well. But I'm gonna show you exactly what we are looking for. Okay guys, the syrup is ready, and this is what you're looking for. Just take a little bit and just drop it, and you see it's like it's not moving, it's like one place, and this is how you know your syrup is ready. And now you're gonna add the milk powder, and then quickly stir it. Lower the heat a little bit, because this you can burn with it. It's gonna like pop up, and make sure to stir it like very quickly. Okay, just like that. 1 minute stirring will be enough, just until you don't see any lumps, like any milk powder, like any bubbles, like milky chunk. If I can explain it, this way, like everything has to be like creamy, smooth. Okay, this is how your barfi, your milk powder barfi, your gâteau de lait should be looking. Just like that. It's been 1 minute, heat off, and now we're gonna go put this on a tray that I have greased with butter. Now this tray is a little bit bigger. I'm not gonna go all the way. I'm just gonna push the barfi like one side, just to make it a good thickness. Tap. You don't see any air. There will be no air. Okay. All right. We should be having a good thickness that way. And the fun part is just garnish this gâteau de lait with this sesame seed, colorful sesame seed. Okay, now a little bit green. And also let it cool a little bit, like at least an hour or two before you slice the gâteau de lait. Hope you enjoyed this video with me, and we have well celebrating this 200 episode, 200 videos, 200 recipes, and hope you're gonna subscribe now and click that like button. And I will see you next time, and don't forget to check the recipe, the ingredient down below in the description box. And bye.